welcome to Axiom Education Group. I'm Fahad Farid. Now I'm going to tell you about our IELTS One Day Workshop. So let's start.
Welcome to Axiom Education Group, one-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.
If you do not have enough time for preparing yourself for the IELTS, this is the best course for you. Who should join? This IELTS exam preparation course is designed for people who need to take the IELTS test and only have a very limited time. Get tips and detailed instructions on how to prepare and what to expect. You want to know the best tips and hints as well as the best procedures for getting a good result. You are aiming for a band 7.5 or higher. IELTS Preparation Workshop. Our compact 4-hour workshop shows you IELTS taking strategies cover all 4 test components, helping you to achieve your maximum IELTS band score. After short-term IELTS preparation workshop, you can have the facility of detailed IELTS guidance session and 250 plus pages practice materials. Moreover, at the end of session, you can have mock test evaluation as well. At the end of this course, students should be able to know the composition and expectation of the IELTS listening, reading, writing and speaking. Develop IELTS specific listening strategies. Hone general reading as well as IELTS reading strategies. Identify the question types that accompany the reading passages. Understand the steps and process of writing high-quality IELTS writing task responses. Respond fluently and accurately using correct pronunciation and range of vocabulary in the oral interview. Improve their score on IELTS. This workshop focuses on a comprehensive overview of the IELTS test components and helps you develop the skills you need to obtain a credible score on the IELTS. Contents are as include: test structure, type and style of questions, test directions and time management for all the different sections, reading and listening strategies for speedy comprehension, writing strategies to fulfill actual exam requirements, speaking strategies to respond appropriately in the oral interview. Our IELTS One Day Workshop details: number of lectures 1, course duration is 1 day, lecture length is 4 hours, maximum class size is 10 students per class, and fees are BDT 2,500 taka only. So that was all for today. Thank you very much. For more details, please subscribe to our channel.